Tonight, former St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner is back in the courtroom. This time, she faced a disciplinary panel for professional misconduct using taxpayer money for personal use. The hearing just wrapped up at the St. Louis County Court in Clayton, and our Justina Cornell heard the arguments today. She joins us live from outside the courts. Justina.
Mike, Kim Gardner was back in court today with a big group of supporters sitting behind her during most of that hearing. Now, keep in mind that Kim Gardner is still on probation in connection to this case. Now, let's break down what happened today in court. Now, the Office of Chief Disciplinary Counsel is asking a panel to discipline Gardner for misusing public money. She already admitted to misusing money from the office's contingent fund for personal use. Now, state law requires that money to be used for items like paying transcripts or bringing in witnesses from other states. This all stems from a Missouri Supreme Court fine Gardner received for her handling of the 2018 prosecution of then Governor Eric Greitens. Gardner reimbursed herself just a little over $5,000 to pay that fine. Now, Gardner's attorney Ronald Sullivan argued the state contingent fund law was not well known, and he even accused other circuit attorneys of using that money before for things like happy hours and balloons. The state bar attorneys pushed back, saying the contingent money was never used for attorney misconduct and disciplinary fees. Today, one witness with the U.S. Attorney's Office said they would have indicted Gardner if Gardner didn't agree to their pretrial agreement of an 18-month probation period.
She had no prior offenses. She had resigned from the Circuit Attorney's Office. She was no longer in public office. And the dollar amount, based upon the dollar amount, most of our diversion cases, or deferred prosecution cases, if you will, are in the area of fraud and smaller amounts of fraud. So we just thought that would be the fair thing to do to resolve this.
Now, the hearing is over, but the work is not done. Now, the panel has 30 days to make a recommendation. That recommendation will go to the Missouri Supreme Court, and from there, they'll make the final decision. Reporting live, Justina Cornell, 5 on your side.